Hey guys, welcome to Clean Mesh Studio. Couple of quick tips if you're trying to learn Blender. Eventually you're gonna have to buy some add-ons. So if you were in edit mode with the default cube and you just hit top view and you had something like a hard surface modeling program like this, then you could literally just cut in booleans, and I mean without all the extra cleanup, which is a big hassle. So I'll just take this one and I can move it around. I can bevel it and do a couple of neat little things and then just make a boolean cut just like that. And then you've got these neat little sub menus where you can cut straight through. And for Cabelerator, pretty simple. Just pick a couple points and drop in the cable. Then you can kind of play around with the tension, play around with the size, spin to edit mode, and add connectors.